Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads into your CRM, spreadsheets, or email marketing platform? This video will show you how to integrate Zapier with Facebook leads to automate the entire process in under 90 seconds, saving you time and boosting your lead response rate. First, log into your Zapier account, or sign up for a free trial if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click the Create Zap button, located on the left side of your screen. This will begin the process of building your automation. Now, you'll need to choose a trigger, the event that starts your Zap search for, and select Facebook Lead Ads as your trigger app. Next, choose the trigger event, select New Lead as the trigger to have the Zap start when a new person fills out a form on Facebook. You will now need to connect your Facebook account. If you have not previously connected your account, click Connect and authorize the connection. Select the Facebook page you want to pull leads from and then select the appropriate form. Click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull data from your Facebook Lead Ads form. This will grab a recent lead so you can configure the next step. Now it's time to set up the action, what you want Zapier to do with the leads. For this example, let's send the leads to Google Sheets. Search for and select Google Sheets as your action app. Choose Create Spreadsheet Rows as your action event. This adds each lead as a new row in your spreadsheet. Connect your Google Sheets account, making sure you give Zapier the necessary permissions. Choose the Google Drive and the specific spreadsheet where you want to store the leads. Now, map the data from your Facebook Lead Ads form to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, map the full name field to the name column. Click Test Action to send a test lead to your Google Sheet and ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, every time someone fills out your Facebook Lead Ads form, their information will automatically be added to your Google Sheet. This same concept can be used to send data to almost any CRM or email marketing system.